In this video, we are showing you an advanced Bachata Sensual combination in the shadow position. We are sure that you are going to love it. Let's go!
I saw stars on the pavement, California dreams. Looked up through the bright lights, no stars did I see. You said it's all yours if you take it there. I said I can't do it alone, I swear. You said it's all yours when you smile. It's only you who loves me like you do. Trying to keep it cool, but I can't keep cool about it. Acting like a fool, wanna scream it from the roof. I'm trying to.
Okay guys, so for this one we start in the social position and let's go into the shadow position. If you don't know the shadow position, make sure to check out this other video, but let's explain it a little bit. So we do a step forward on one and we rotate our body and create a circular motion with the arm of the follower. So we go one, we stop the lady and we turn the lady and we give her space by coming back to our place in two. The lady keeps turning in three and we both tap on four. So for us, for the leaders, we lose one step because we go front, back, and slowly tapping.
Yes, for the follower, the steps are normal as always. You just have to change your direction. So you go to the back on 1, 2, 3, tap.
Yes.
That's all.
So now that we are here in the shadow position, make sure to breathe in, but also guys, make sure to not be here in the normal shadow position because we want to walk forward. So we have to create more space between us. So the leaders are left of the lady. And now we breathe in and we walk slowly forward in 5, 6, 7, 8. Guys, if you want to stop the basic and walk forward or slowly, you need to be up here and breathe in. Because if we're not doing this, it's going to be very difficult for the lady to understand that you no longer want to do a normal basic. So we continue in 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we create this kind of wave that starts with the hips going forward and up in 1, 2, 3, 4. And we bring the lady slowly down.
Yeah. For the follower, it's very important that you wait for the little impulse that comes from the hips and that you really start your movement with the hips to the front and a bit up. And then your upper body follows. You open a lot to the roof, diagonally up. And then you start by going down with your back very straight. You try to look up as long as you can. And in the moment you want to go up, you close your upper body and you arch your back. Bring your chin to your chest like this.
Yes. So two common mistakes that happen for the leaders and the follower is that we lead with the chest. So we bring the lady up with the chest and down. And the movement starts with the hips. Yes. The hips are creating and leading the movement. And the other, as she said, the other mistake for the followers is that they go looking down. So they don't go straight enough looking up and they go like this straight and it's not correct. So we go here then in 1, 2, 3, 4. And when the lady wants to go up, we stop her and we say, now with the chest, do a body wave in 5, 6, 7, 8. And on 7, 8, when she's coming back, we bring this arm here.
Yes. When you are down and you start closing, that's when he stops you so you don't come up like this. From here, you have to start with your chest and with your head. The next movement, you're really open again and have a little wave here in your body. Yes. And he brings your arm up.
So when we are here, now we breathe in again because we want to keep the lady out of her balance. We breathe in, we are here big, and now we make her lean on our right side. And we do a small step to the left in 1, 2, 3, 4. Here guys, it's very important to not do a very big step and bring all the way down because it's just not necessary, and also to keep your body straight. So we bring the lady towards us, but we are not having our body like this or something. We try to keep it straight.
Yeah, and for the follower, it's very important that you keep the connection from the beginning here with the hips, with the leader, and not wait until he is already down.
So another mistake, yes, like you said, is that the followers want to come with the upper body and here and try to avoid. Exactly. Oh, that was, yeah. So we go in 1, 2, 3, 4, and from here we start bringing her back with the hips as well. So not with the upper body like this, but with the hips. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we brought the lady back slowly, and
it's very important that you need to think that you're already on your 5 here on the left, so you have to finish your basic. And when we're here, 5, 6, 7, tap.
And for us, we just bring the lady back and slowly do our tap here. On 8, we finish here, and we go into the basic in 1, 2, 3. So let's do it counting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And from this point of view, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and also comment down below which of these moves was your favorite. If you like this video, you're going to love these other combinations and moves. We hope to see you the next time. Bye.